Hello friends, welcome to the Shrakshit channel. In today's video we are going to see a lunch vlog, and for today's lunch here I have prepared white rice with yam curry or elephant food curry and with crispy and yummy potato chips within 15 minutes. Before moving into a video, if you are watching my channel for the first time, click subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And for yam or elephant food curry, here I have taken 2 medium sized sliced onions and 2 medium sized chopped tomatoes and whole garlic cloves and 200 grams of cleaned yam pieces cut into cube shape. Already I have an uploaded video how to take precautions while cutting the yam. Because of its itchiness, you have to just apply 2 to 3 drops of oil over your hands and then start cutting, and soaked 1 lemon sized tamarind to take out the tamarind pulp. Now place a pan or kadai and add about 3 to 4 spoons of oil, and once oil gets heated, add mustard and cumin and 1/4 spoon of fenugreek and let it allow it to splatter. Now add the garlic pods and saute it well until garlic turns golden brown. Keep your flame on medium and add about 4 to 5 peppercorns. Adding of peppercorns is additional and optional step. Let it saute it for about 30 seconds. Once garlic turns golden brown, add 2 medium-sized sliced onions and saute it well until onion turns transparent or golden brown. As usual, add some salt so it turns golden brown quickly. Now add chopped tomatoes and cook until tomato becomes mushy consistency. Once tomato turns mushy consistency, add 2 spoons of chili powder, 2 spoons of coriander powder and 1/4 spoon of turmeric. You can increase or decrease the quantity of red chili powder according to your spiciness. Mix it well and let it cook for about 30 seconds on a low flame. After 30 seconds, add yam pieces and mix it well. Now add required amount of salt for the yam curry and mix it well and let it cook for about 5 to 8 minutes until oil oozes out from the yams. Already I have uploaded a video on yam fry recipe. I will give link in below description box, kindly check out. Once oil starts oozing out from the yam, now it's time to add our tamarind pulp. Here I have taken 1 medium lemon sized tamarind for 6 members. You can increase or decrease the quantity of tamarind according to your need. Now dilute the gravy by adding 600 ml of water. Mix it well and adjust the consistency of the salt. In meanwhile, for the potato chips, here I have taken 4 medium sized potatoes, washed it thoroughly. As usual, collect all the waste in a separate plate so that your countertop looks neat and clean. After peeling out its skin, add the potatoes into a vessel containing the water and let it soak it for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you want, you can even cut the potatoes and then add into the water so that the starch present in the potato will be removed. In the meanwhile, our curry has been started boiling. Keep your flame on low. Mix it well and then place the lid and let it cook for about 10 more minutes on a low flame. Now place the kadai and add required amount of oil for the deep fry and let it allow it to heat. Here I am using a normal peeler to make thin slices. If you want, you can even use the grater. Here I will show how it comes in the peeler, very thin and perfect shape. For me personally, the peeler idea works out. If you feel that this peeler idea is good, then follow the small tip. Instead of slicing in a large graters, once slicing is done, add all the slices into the hot oil and then keep your flame on medium and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. Once potato reaches this stage, keep your flame on high for about 1 minute. Keep it stirring continuously as shown in the video. By stirring it continuously, it avoids burning. and your potatoes become even more crispier at the last 1 minute on a high flame. So keep it stirring continuously, don't let them allow to burn. So finally drain out the oil and then transfer it into a plate and let it allow it to cool for about 5 minutes. In meanwhile, I'm going to add my second batch of sliced potatoes. As usual, keep your flame on medium for 3 minutes, and at last 1 minute you have to keep your flame on high. On the other side, our yam curry is also ready. Let it cook for about 1 more minute until oil floats on the curry, and then transfer it into a serving bowl. So once our second batch chips are ready, let it allow it to cool. Once it is cool, transfer into a mixing bowl. Add all the chips into one bowl and then sprinkle 2 pinches of salt and 1 pinch of chili powder. So mix it well. And these are my last batch of chips, very crispy and yummy homemade chips. Here I will just show you how the chips turned out very crispy and yummy within 15 minutes. And here is our lunch plate with hot white rice and yam curry and crispy potato chips. Drizzle 2 to 3 drops of ghee and enjoy your lunch. Try out the recipe, guys. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a happy day. If you like, give big thumbs up and leave your comments in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.